What's up, YouTube? It's Chris here. I just wanted to do a pocket dump real quick. Everyone has been asking me why haven't I been doing any videos lately. Well, it's because I've been busy with my kids and whatnot, but been wanting to let you guys know what I've been carrying on day-to-day basis. Um, so this is what I've been carrying lately for the past couple months, like 2 months, I want to say. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I want to let's start off with this. It's my box cutter. I've been using it lately, so I use it a lot I've been opening a lot of boxes and stuff from Amazon and whatnot. And my other job's got a little pocket clip. It's a little standard cheapie. You get it for like $5 there at Walmart. And then, let's see, we got that. Let's get one of my favorite Lumitops. Got my Lumitop right here. This one actually, I carry it with me everywhere I go. Got the clip sideways like that, so when I put it in my pocket, it won't push up on the button here. It's very delicate. It's there you go. Let's see if you can see it there. The rabbit Lumitop. But anyway, it's it's got four controls. You got your low, and then you got your medium, and then you got your bright, which is 130 lumens. Very bright for a little light. Very, very, very bright. And it's also got its strobe. So by the strobe, it's actually pretty bright. So on the strobe one, you go on your low setting, hold it down, and bam, pop up. Then it should go back when you click it back to your low setting, and then you go medium, high, and then back off. So yeah, Lumitop, you could use that as a keychain as well. I don't know, I was gonna get the copper one, the copper version. Probably still will get the copper version. Give this one to my mom. And you get reversible as well. Could turn the clip over, put it on your baseball cap or whatever. Use it, at nighttime if you're having trouble on your vehicle or whatnot. But it's a good little light. Price around $30. You can get it there on Amazon. But I carry this on me every day. I have been for a few months now. So that's that. Lighter, I've been started smoking again, so yeah, I carry my lighters with me. Gotta have a lighter either way. Never know when you're gonna need a lighter. Okay, my pens. I carry pens with me everywhere I go. Have been for a while. Been carrying some pens. Just your standard cheapies, just regular throwaway pens. And I've been using them, like I said, I go to the schools. I've been going to school meetings and whatnot, and always signing paperwork. I mean, pretty soon I want to get me a tactical one, upgrade to the tactical, a nice tactical pen that I could use. Reliable one. Keys. My keys actually still the same. Still got the same night. So got my vial, still the same vial. But it's held up pretty good. I've had it for about a year and a half now. Nights recommendation 100% for anyone. Have not lost the key since I've owned it. I got my other key ring here. My car keys actually. With, of course, my favorite Raiders. It's got the Raiders band. Alright, let's see what else. I got my Carmex. You don't want to have them dry lips when you're kissing, that beautiful chick. So car mix is a must. Let's see, I got my little so I get it open there. There we go. Yeah, I'm always looking at jewelry and stuff like that. So I'm always, it's usually for keychain, but I usually carry it in my pocket. That's why it's a little dusty there. I have been carrying that with me as well. Another big lighter. I have my lighter bro, which I stopped carrying there for a while for a couple of reasons. A couple of reasons was because I started carrying the Leatherman squirt, so I don't need that anymore. I don't need the lighter bro, which carried the little mini screwdriver poker at the same time, little blade, and it also carried a bottle opener. I had all that stuff in the lighter bro. You could check it out at lighterbro.com. But so far, guys, this is what I've been carrying on a day-to-day basis. I do carry my Spyderco Minix 2, but for the stuff I have been doing, I've been opening boxes, tearing up some carpets, other little stuff like that. So this is the stuff I've been carrying for the past 2-3 months. I don't want to say 3 months, but it depends on the occasion. Like if I go out of town or something, I'll carry something neater like my Spyderco Minix 2 or my Spyderco Delica, one of those ones. And of course, I'm a hat person, so there's my Raiders hat. And another thing, oh, wallet, I forgot wallet. Wallet actually changed. The wallet I used to carry was, which wallet was that? Oh yeah, that used to be my Raiders wallet, which actually, if you go to my other channel, it's still the same, Chris Martinez EDC best stuff. I have like 2 channels on there still. My pictures actually on those channels, but like I said, I ended up getting hacked on one of them, so I couldn't get back into it, which kind of sucked because I had like a lot of videos on that one, on EDC, all my knives, Spyderco, Blue Alpha gear, and all the good stuff. So if you guys want to check out those videos and subscribe to those ones, it's all on you. So, oh yeah, back to where I was. Wallet. This one's actually changed. It's a Levi wallet. It's leather. It's not too expensive of a wallet. It's the reason I got it was because of the one I had, the Raiders one actually. Hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, so yeah, this is my Levi's wallet that I actually purchased online. I actually like it. It's pretty nice. It's a triple fold, which I usually don't like. Just a basic triple fold. But what I do like is that it's got the zipper part. Stash some cash. Stash some cash when you go to the casino. That way you don't use up all your cash. So yeah, this is the Levi's wallet I've been using. It's been holding up pretty good so far for a year. It's been about a year now. But like I said, triple fold. Can't complain. But I will be doing some more videos soon, guys, now that I got my new channel back on. The other thing is that I didn't put on here, which I will on my next update, will be my Blue Alpha Gear Belt 1.5 EDC by Blue Alpha Gear, by the way. So other than that, that's about it, guys, and hope you like my video, and I'll be doing some more updates soon, and you guys have a good day. God bless.